Also to inform everyone na naatay bago na gidagdag sa Duaw Davao na event, kato, definitely Davao City Tour. So part na siya because as mentioned, part sa ato ang 4 pillars is Duaw ta sa Davao Turismo. So the objective of that is we will be inviting our local Davaoenos to revisit our tourism sites. So naatay gi-identify na tour na ato ang nahuman na taog dry run. So, na-approve na ang itinerary nato sa Execom. So, last week, we did a dry run para to check the timing and to check really the areas na ato ang bisitahon. So, ang atong itinerary would be from Kalinan, moadto ta sa Philippine Eagle. Then, ang next is, we wanted also Davao City being the chocolate capital of the Philippines and a support because there's a cacao festival also ongoing for June. Naatay, after the Philippine Eagle, we will visit the farm, the cacao farm, para we can able to see how the chocolate na gi-produce from the tree to cacao. Then after that, ato pong gi-highlight ang ato ang strength. Ako personally, I joined the dry run and I'm so happy that I joined and I'm so happy and I'm very proud to say na we are very fortunate and we are really proud Davaoenos sa ato ang mga facility na naata. So part of the tour after sa farm na sa cacao, mo-visita sa 911, sa Central 911 to see our strength. Mo-visit po ta sa PSSO. Then, mo-adto ta sa bago nato na venue sa Museo Davaoenyo, which is naa sa Mabini Street. Then, mo-agi ta sa City Library. Very state-of-the-art na ato ang facility na naa sa Davao. Then, ang drop-off niya will be at the Rojas to cap the entire day of a tour. So, naatay schedule and we will also be inviting ahead of time because for 2 weekends siya, so 4 days, Saturday, Sunday, then we are allocating the first Saturday, that is June 20, for our friends from the media who would want to join, ato ang mga local na vloggers who would also want to join. That's our target invites for the first Saturday. Then, ang pagka-Sunday, i-invite nato ang kanang mga tourism frontliners nato. Like, example, for those nagtrabaho sa hotel. So, as mentioned, gikan ko sa hotel industry, sometimes, ang ato ang mga frontliners, ang ato mga front desk, mga bellman, muna ang first na mga tao na pangutanan sa turista, usahay ang uban, wa nakaabot sa Philippine Eagle. In fact, ako, na-realize na ako na it's dugay na po din na panahon na wa na ko nakaadto sa Philippine Eagle. So, that is one target nato na sector. Then, ang remaining, the last weekend of a Saturday and Sunday, the same formula that we did during Araw ng Davao, we will be posting an online application and that is open for everyone who are interested. So naarang tayo capping per day because we can only provide a one bus for the entire day na tour. So that's good for 50 per day for 4 days. That's 2 weekends during the Duaw Davao celebration.
For Davaoenos po na abay bayad or unsa nila pag-appeal?
Actually, complimentary siya. They just book it online. Then, wala pa ta nag-post og online application, but we will be posting it. So, ang katong last Saturday and Sunday, that's open to everyone who will be interested to join the tour.